In this question, the principal explains to us the meaning of right to private defense and when it commences, that is when it starts. Now, facts in the present question are X was in debt of Y and had neglected to clear his dues for last 1 year. X's friend came running to his house and informed that a group of persons led by Y were approaching X's house. X threw a hand grenade at the mob with the intention to disperse them. Two individuals were killed. In the court, X pleaded his innocence by citing the right of private defense. Decide whether act of X was justified in the exercise of right of private defense or not. The correct answer in this question, by taking into consideration the principle and the facts, would be C. That is no, as there was no reasonable apprehension of danger nor proportionate use of force. So first, there was no reasonable apprehension of danger. That is, from the facts, it is clear that X's friend came running to his house and informed that a group of persons led by Y were approaching X's house. There was no apprehension of danger. That is, X's friend simply told him that Y, along with a group of persons were approaching his house. There was no apprehension of danger. Secondly, X threw a hand grenade at the mob to disperse them. Therefore, this use of force was completely disproportionate. It was completely not in sync with the threat. Although there was no threat, yet the proportion of force that was used was completely disproportionate. So, the principle clearly states that right to private defense commences as soon as reasonable apprehension of danger to the body and property arises from an attempt or threat to attempt the offense. Such use of force should be justified. Therefore, the essentials mentioned in the principle have not been constituted by virtue of the present facts. So, taking into consideration principle and the facts, we can say that the correct answer would be C. That is, no, as neither there was reasonable apprehension of danger nor proportionate use of force.